In this video we will push SysML requirements from an enterprise architect model to an Excel document and vice versa. Let us see a quick demo on SysML Editor with the HSUV requirement available in EA example model. Go to Specialize Add-ins, Microsoft Office Add-ins. Select the HSUV requirement package to enable SysML on Excel option. All the SysML systems modeling language requirements from selected package and the sub-packages will be exported to Excel. Any changes made to the Excel will be lost when you sync EA to Excel. Let us add an element in the name column of the requirement sheet with other details. Let us create a connector for the newly created item with an existing element using the requirement matrix sheet. Hit the Excel to EA icon to add the elements from the Excel to the EA model. Hit Export. Reload the package. The requirement element is added to the model. As you can see, the connectors added through the relationship matrix is also reflected in the model. Now let us change the name of this element to capacity requirement. You can restore the updated model in the Excel by simply hitting the EA to Excel icon in the Enterprise Architect ribbon in the Excel window. As you can see, the name is updated in the Excel sheet. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.